Here's a simple example of how you could potentially use an automation platform. For instance, I'm using Make here, and integrate with Google Forms, and I also have the Google Forms set up to Google Sheets, so you'll see Google Sheets there, and then Airtable via a webhook. And here the web form will function as a trigger for the workflow. So you can see here, if I go to this Google form, I can go ahead and fill out my information, and right now we don't have any data here in the Airtable or in the Google Sheets as well. You'll see here in 1 second. So with the webhook, when there's a new submission, it will trigger the webhook, and the data that is sent to Google Sheets will also be used to create a record in the Airtable. So here I'm filling out my information here, submitting the form. And now if I go over to Airtable, you'll see in 1 second how the information is now stored in the Airtable, and also you can easily set up it so that everything that's submitted in a form just submits to the Excel as well.